So we start directly in this video. I'm going to show you a tutorial for making cards with this beautiful stamp set that I received from Beebeecraft. It's from Globaland, and I'm going to use 2 glimmer plates that they also sent to me to try out, and I combine that in this video. But while our glimmer machine is heating up, I'm showing you that you can also use the glimmer plate and the die sets from Beebeecraft to emboss with. So you have 2 ways to use your dies and your glimmer plates. I loved that effect as well, and I did cut them out after I embossed them, so they went through my machine twice, so that's why they are a little bit more flat, but you get the effect of a 2D embossing folder, as you can see. So you can do that with any glimmer plate and with your die cut, with your background dies. Really nice to do. These are the plates we are going to use today. I received these items from Beebeecraft to try out, and of course I'm going to link all the products in the description box below with links to the website so that you can find it yourself if you like these products. Here I am showing you the foil that I'm going to use today, and that we still have to wait. The middle light on our glimmer machine needs to be green before we can add on our glimmer plates, and then we have to wait a little bit more. I am showing that in real time so that you have an idea how long that takes. While I am waiting, I'm going to cut my foil, and I am using a rotary cutter for that. And I didn't think of that myself. I saw this in a video from Simon Hurley, and yeah, it is a great tip. I always use it now because it cuts really well through your foil. And the foils that I use are till now from 2 brands, from Spellbinders, but I also use the brands that we can buy here at the Action store. And yeah, it's really cheap, and it foils just as well as the foil from Spellbinders, if I am honest. I'm still waiting for the light to go green, and then we will put on our glimmer plate. This is the paper I'm going to use. I'm only going to foil on white cardstock in this video. It's a 200 GSM cardstock, and it's really smooth. How smoother the surface, how better the foiling goes. Also with the plates from Beebeecraft. And here I'm showing you my sandwich that will go on top. And I always have 1 or 2 shims, they are just papers, between them, because that's the right amount of pressure then for my foiling in my Spellbinders Platinum die cutting machine. That were the stamps that I already stamped out and colored before the video that we are going to use. And while we are waiting, I want to tell you about the Mix10. That's my coupon code Mix10 that you can use to save 10% for the whole order if you order on the Beebeecraft website. So you can use Mix10. Well, we still have to wait, so I'm going to cut some more foil in advance. And I want to tell you also about the YouTube program from Beebeecraft. If you have a YouTube channel for more than 100 subscribers, you can join in on their YouTube program. The link will be in the description box as well. And what they ask for you is 3 videos, 1 unboxing and 2 videos or projects tutorials that you will make with the products you receive from them. You can choose them yourself, so you can choose what you want to create with. And the options are endless. They have so many items on their website, not only for paper crafting, but as well for jewelry making, diamond painting. Well, the options are endless. Go check out the Beebeecraft website. Now, all the lights turn out green, and now we can put on the foil on the plate. We put on the paper and our sandwich, and then we take it off and we run it through our die cutting machine. I do that off camera because I have an A4 Spellbinders Platinum, so it's really big, and you have to put it through your machine really gently, so slow, in a slow tempo. Then you get the best result. We place it back, and then we are going to look at our foiling. You will see some overfoiling because I did do a big sheet of foil, but later on in the video I'm showing you which eraser you can use. You can see it there already to get off your overfoiling. It's a Tombow sand eraser, And here I'm just going to show it so that you see that you can use it for that. I made several foil backgrounds, as you can see, and now I am speeding up the video because I'm showing you how I'm going to assemble the first card I did with all these beautiful products. I used a die set from my stash, from my design team from Carlijn, and the top layer, you can see it already on the left side of my hands, I cut out of the beautiful foiled background that I just did on camera. Well, I showed the foiling on camera, and this was one of the prints I made. I love it with this holographic silver. It makes a beautiful background for your cards. So we are assembling the base card here with my glue. It's a tacky glue that I buy here locally. It's really good. And then I will come in with my stamps that I pre-colored and pre-cut out with the matching die set that comes with this stamp set from Beebeecraft. It's also from Global Land, the brand Global Land that they sell. And this one I am going to glue on directly on the paper. And I think the bigger one I will put on dimensional tape. My acrylic block to keep it steady so it can dry really well. And I am using 1mm foam tape for this to raise up this stamp. And I am doing that with some other dies as well to create depth in my card. I always do that. I don't like flat cards. Most of the time I really want some definition, some depth in my cards. And I also used, you can see it's shimmer on the stamps. I also used some diamond stickles, and later on I will add extra diamond stickles, I think, if I remember it correctly. The sentiment is not the one of the stamp sets of one of the sentiments that come with the stamp set. I wanted a Christmas sentiment for this, so I used a die set from my stash. Love this one, and it was a perfect size to put on this mini slim line. Again, I'm also putting this on the 1mm tape, and I really like how it looks on the foiled background from Beebeecraft. And afterwards I think I will bring in some clouds that I die cut. You also get stamps of clouds in the beautiful stamp sets with the balloons and the city, and you get the coordinating dies for the clouds as well, but you do not have to use them together, of course. I just cut out some clouds with the dies from the clouds from the stamp set. Well, am I making it clear to you? So I just used it to make these white clouds out of paper, and I didn't stamp on them because then it will take away the attention from the cute balloons with the cute critters on the inside. Again, some will be glued on directly on the base of my cards, and others will be popped up on pop dots or on my 1mm tape, I must say. And yeah, this is the end of assembling this card. I always use a pick tool to take off the liner of my tape because I have acrylic nails. And I really like putting this card together with the cute stamps. They are so adorable. At the end of this video I'm showing you 3 other cards that I did with this stamp set and with the glimmer plates. One will be also for Christmas and the other one are not. So you get different ideas with it. I think we are almost finished with this card. And after I shot this video, I did add some extra things on one of the cards that I'm going to show you in a minute because I missed something on it, and that's the card with also the balloons in purple and green. Well, you will see it in a minute. Again, if you like to order on the Beebeecraft website, don't forget to use my coupon code Mix10 for a saving of 10% over your whole order. Well, this finished the card, and I'm going to add some extra stickles now because it was not glittery enough for me. It's a Christmas card, so I love when it glitters and shines. And I do think we are going to show the cards now that I also did with the beautiful stamps and glimmer plates. This was the result of the one we did together. I love how the light captures the shimmer of the foiling plates. It's so beautiful and elegant. So yeah, that's the first one. And then I'm going to show you the second one I made with one of the foil backgrounds that we just did in the beginning of this video. This one is my favorite one with the diamonds. It's so delicate. I love this background. And I can see myself using this the whole year round for cards. It's so elegant and beautiful. The sentiment is Dutch sentiment. And I again did pop up all these stamped images. And with a white marker I did highlight some of them. Here is, well, I did color this as a Christmas city. It can also be for a different occasion, I think. But I love the color combination. It's not a classical Christmas color. And that background is the one that we embossed with the glimmer plate. This one I just inked with the stencil and decorated with the bright happy houses and balloons. And I stamped "Have a happy day" that does come with the stamp set. I think it will be a cute card for someone. And that are all the cards that I made with the gorgeous stamp sets and dies and glimmer plates from Beebeecraft. Again, watch the links to the products in the description box below and go check out the Beebeecraft website. I want to thank you for watching. Bye for now.